In a world where the pursuit of eternal youth seems like an elusive dream, one woman's journey took an unexpected turn, leading to the discovery of a remarkable anti-aging secret. Ann Jacobs, a 43-year-old pharmacist from Tampa, Florida, found herself facing a devastating betrayal when she caught her husband in a compromising situation with her own older sister. However, what initially seemed like the end of her world turned into a remarkable journey of self-discovery and rejuvenation. Ann's encounter with her sister and husband prompted her to embark on a quest to reverse the visible signs of aging that had begun to take a toll on her skin. Despite trying various remedies and treatments, nothing seemed to work until she stumbled upon a mysterious youth protein during a serendipitous trip to Hunza Valley, Pakistan. The women of Hunza Valley, renowned for their youthful appearance well into old age, introduced Ann to the concept of the youth protein. Passed down through generations, this secret ingredient holds the key to maintaining firm, radiant skin regardless of age. Scientific research at the University of British Columbia shed light on the mechanism behind the youth protein. Unlike conventional wisdom focusing on collagen, researchers discovered that microscopic wrinkles on the skin mirror those found in hair. These wrinkles, caused by a decline in the youth protein, contribute to visible signs of aging. However, by harnessing a targeted form of keratin, scientists unlock the potential to restore youthful vitality to the skin. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Ann developed a simple evening routine featuring the youth protein, resulting in remarkable rejuvenation. The transformative effects were not only visible, but also deeply empowering, restoring Ann's confidence and sense of self-worth. In a world dominated by cosmetic interventions and invasive procedures, the discovery of the youth protein offers a refreshing alternative. By harnessing the power of nature and ancient wisdom, individuals can achieve radiant, age-defying skin without resorting to synthetic treatments. As Ann's journey demonstrates, the quest for youthfulness is not limited by age or circumstance. By embracing the transformative potential of the youth protein, individuals can embark on their own journey towards rejuvenation and self-discovery.